Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And I've turned on, after the Patch Tuesday updates, the Windows security feature that is the Smart App Control. And let it go to see if anything was going to happen. Until now, I haven't had anything going wrong. Of all the apps, and I use a lot of apps, including some unusual apps, I've not had anything go wrong or anything, that it didn't bother me at all. So um, I think it's not that bad, and it actually is a security update that or a security feature, I should say, that is helpful in trying to protect you. That said, of course, there are some apps that probably are causing issues. And I know that some of you have commented about some of the apps you're using that, it's incompatible with. And yeah, I understand. It's like downloading from the internet. I download a couple of programs that are perfectly fine, but are very niche. So it's like the number of downloads is small compared to everything else. And people didn't take the time to register that it's fun. So I do have a few pieces of software that I download, and when I download them from either Chrome or Microsoft Edge, I get this smart screen filter that comes up and says, "Well, this could be dangerous. I don't know what it is. You sure you want to continue to download and keep the file and so on?" So Smart App Control will be like that. It's for the most part, and for especially if you don't do that much with your PC, you just use standard apps. Smart App Control will probably never pop up and tell you something's wrong, but it is not impossible. And in the same way that I have my, smart screen filter saying that some of the downloads that I have are could be dangerous. Uh, well, Smart App Control probably does flag unusual things that people might be using, but until now, I've got no issues, and I keep it on. I keep it on. I'll leave it on if it doesn't bother me like that. Got no problem. It's a layer of security that is added to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.